I think I need to contact HR and file an accident report because I have scun up both of my knuckles today. Damn it. Yeah, I'll have to contact HR. You think this will get me a day off? I guess I'll probably have to go to the hospital over this. Yeah, oh well. Such is life. Well, okay, the gold has arrived. That shaft. In the cardboard box, so I guess I can do an unboxing video. Oh yeah, this should be exciting. The most important part of an unboxing video, the cutter. So let's take note. Oh hell, I had actually 3 scun up knuckles. That one, and that one. Let's hope this does not create another accident because HR may fire me if I have to file another accident report. I told you this would be exciting. Hey, it looks like the right one. There are my 2 long shafts. Should I paint this one green? Nah, I don't think so. No time for that. I could have probably gotten away with reusing the old bearing, but I felt one little spot in there that I think when I was blowing everything out and cleaning it up, a piece of dust or debris got in there. So this is on the inside of this gearbox. It's a lot to get to it, so I may as well put a new bearing in it while I'm this far. Okay, taking the old needle bearings out was much harder than it should have been. It took me longer than it should have. You can always know how difficult the job was or how easy it was based on the number of drawers you've got open in the workbench to know how many tools you needed for the job. So on this particular job, 3 drawers open. I guess that's not bad. I've had as many as 5 drawers open for a job, so let's keep on rolling. Hey, don't you have anything better to do besides watch me scrape RTV off of this housing? Come on now. Whoa, wait, don't go away. Continue watching. That will help pay for my gold. Yeah, right there. That will help pay for my gold. I'm sorry. Keep watching. Okay, I only get 1 shot at this, so don't screw it up. I'm gonna take this over on the press. I'll be back. All right, let me get the seal while I'm at it. Hey, have I mentioned Nebo flashlights? How great they are? Darn it. Let me see how far down I have to go. Right there. I need some lube. That's what she said. And there we go, just like that. Hey, I got a clean, a clean shirt. It was my wife's day off today, so when I walked out of the house, she was awake, so I could not sneak a towel out of the bathroom to bring down here. For this, I wanted a clean surface after I got everything out, so I had to take one of my t-shirts instead to bring down. I prefer a towel. It's a little bit wider here, but hey, here's my name, Ridge Hardware. I guess this was something I sponsored, so I got a free shirt, a free t-shirt out of it. Okay, I think the next step is the seal. This seal here, although it was okay, I did get a new one. I did not ruin it taking the shaft out of there. So, I don't know what the heck to do. I guess I'll put the new seal in since I have it. Okay, I think it's on there. Yep, it looks like the job has got a little more complex here because, yeah, we've got quite a few drawers open now. Okay. I found my snap ring. I've got the bearing on there. Got this housing on here And I have just called the farmer's daughter to help me come down and put this shaft in, because I don't want to screw up this seal, so I need somebody on the other side to kind of hold the shaft as I shove it through there. So she's going to come down from the store for a couple of minutes and help me get this set in there. Damn it, the last two gloves.
Do you really need some? I think I got some over here. I don't know if I got some really big hands though. I got some medium. Put your hands in here. This shit will now be stopped. I can't have every medium there was.
All right, as you can see, we got the shaft in there. Got the bearing and the cogs all put together on this side. So I've just got to put the other housing on here now. Get the gears all lined up. Oh shoot, that's right. I've got a broken set screw. I forgot to get one of those at the hardware store. And I've got to do that before I can go any further. I don't think I have one in the drawer. Huh. What do you know? I had one in stock here at my shop. Wow. I amaze myself some days. All right. We've almost got this baby lit. And the other side. And, oh wow, no parts left. I've got the chain to put on the other side. And I think I'm done, other than the lube to go in the gearbox there. Okay, the last step, put a little bit of grease on here. And that's how you do it. I think I'm done, and I can go to the field. It's 12:30. Sun has been out, wind has been blowing. I think it's time to cut wheat. But you know, first, it's gonna take me a half an hour to clean my tools and put them all away. But hey, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not one to leave my tools sitting out. It's so much easier to spend the 5 or 10 minutes to go ahead and put them away now, so the next time you need them, you know exactly where they are. So let me get that done. Darn it, I didn't even finish my coffee this morning. So engrossed in my work. Hey, the other advantage to putting all your tools away as soon as you finish the project, if you're organized enough, you'll see what is missing and realize, hey, you left it in the gear case or the engine compartment or something like that. So what I'm missing here is a 15-16 socket, but I know that was gone before I even started this project, so I'm not sure where it is. Maybe the farmer's daughter used it for something, or I've left it somewhere else. I don't know. All right, time to dump the coffee out and put water in there, but one more thing to do before we head to the field. I've got to move the straw chopper. I've got to drop that, move it, not drop it, drop the fins in the back, and then just roll it forward, windrow the straw so we can bale it. And then we're leaving out of here. That's how it's done.